Hello kids, welcome to Sheng Lessons. What happens to the food when it enters into our body? When we eat? That's what we're gonna learn today. Ready?
Yay!
This process is called digestive system. The food that enters into our mouth will pass through the esophagus with the help of saliva, then to the stomach, where the food and liquid are being mixed with the digestive juices. The stomach then slowly empties its contents, and then this process will continue to the small intestine, where the complete breakdown of food to nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, and fats are happening and being absorbed by our body. Then the remains of this process will pass to the large intestine, where the waste turns into a stool and will come out in our body as poop. It is when we sit on the potty to feel comfortable. Keep on learning. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.